Hey my friend, I saw in few YouTube videos that DeWalt DCS590 isn't so great. It can easily stall and doesn't have enough power compared to Milwaukee 2834. I mean with this one. So let's check it out and see. Is it so bad or no? So Milwaukee first. It is pretty nice with normal load. Now let's try DeWalt. Both of them I'm using with full charged batteries. It performs well, and I see no problem with normal loads. But let's try to push harder. I'm pushing harder and everything is still good. Now let's try to push the saw really hard. Yeah, I can stop it. Let's try the same with Milwaukee. Yes, I can stop it too, but as you see, it has more power. But I doubt that you feel any problem with DeWalt saw comparing to Milwaukee. So you can stop both of them. Milwaukee is more powerful, but DeWalt is very good too. Let me try again. That's it. I am confident that the result depends more on the hand of the operator, and even if you see in other videos how the DeWalt saw stalls compared to Milwaukee, think about whether you can trust the person showing you that. So honestly, both of them has a lot of power.